Hello everyone. In this tutorial we talking about the wine glass making in this CATIA V5. So let's begin to the mechanical design and wireframe and surface design. So go to part 1 and okay. So firstly we select a one plane and go to the sketch and we use this point command and we make this wireframe. So control set this and start from some distance from center point and make the curve and go to the exit workbench and revolve. This is revolve command. So this is profile selected already and select the revolution axis and here we make 360 revolution. So this is the upper side cup of the wine glass. So go to the extrude command and select this round on the base of this bowl. So and direction of this extrude is this z-axis and go to the isometric view and reverse the direction and we making this as 100 mm. So recenter and we project one plane here for making a brace. So project this and here and select this plane and okay. Select this plane and go to the sketch and we make a circle over it and go to exit. Oh no, this is not making here, so control Z and select this plane and go to the sketch and make here circle and go to exit. So control Z. Firstly we taking a plane with the to the direction, reverse direction and one 108 mm. This stick length, this wine ball stick length is 100, so we're taking 105 or 108, 107 we taken and select this plane, go to the sketch and we're taking circle and exit the workbench. So this is the circle. Go to the multi-section solid, this field multi-section solid command. So select this and select this one and preview. So okay and we fill this base surface. So going to the fill command, so this is the fill command, so select this and select the wireframe. This is selected, this is pop-up window is open, this is closed the contour and press OK. So this is close profile, so OK. And lastly we finish the bowl design. This is the very thin surface, so we have to thick some 2-3 mm. This is a negligible thickness, so we have to thick this paper glass. This is the paper glass. At this time we giving the thickness of 1-2 mm. So going to the offset command, this is the offset command, so select this and we select this and direction is this, so no, so select the offset command and we get 3 mm offset command and preview and OK. So this is the 3 mm offset of this ball. So this is a created some valley in this 2 offset, so we have to close this profile to profile and getting a curve shape along this. So at this moment we use this blend command, so select this blend command, select the first curve, and first support. This is inside support is the first support, and select the second curve, select this second curve and select the second support. This is the second support. So going to the this is a point or curvature. This is a, we select here the curvature design, so this is the edge, not filleted portion is there. There is a 90-degree angle between them, and this is a very unwanted. So we use the tangency and taking preview. So this is the curvature design is this, and press OK, and we design this wine bowl. So select this, hide and show, select this sketch and add this and hide all these sketches, and this is the our wine bowl designing. I hope this video is important and useful for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you.